March 14 ang araw ngayon. Pag nagising kayo sa umaga o bagong gising, don't take coffee first without having a food. This will increase hyperacidity. Kaya malabo din yung ohos pag tayo dayo tadurmi. So if I do more exercise, so my vision is maintained. Akiyo tapasa guys. Tamira itong mga building lehos. Ansina lang aki. Mga building lehos. Pero banda lehos, kutya na yung mga palayan. Pero hindi sa mga palayan. Amo sa mga tadali sila kumi ng mga sheep, mga goat. Kasi siyempre sila kabat amo sila tadali kumi. Tasudayo adentro cuerpo di mia. So it's good na tan regulate ya temperature, tan increase ya. Kasi inanti pa yung hindi tasuda ara tasuda ya. Diba? So kabar ese bali banya with warm water. Taban niya with warm water. Diyan naman kami heater. Aki siya ni heater pag lalo ya winter. Frio el agua. Kabar aki guys, dali mira ko na ustedes. Siya ni mga residents, tapon ni sila gripo apuera. Anybody can drink this water. Masking kyan pwede toma agua libre. Takyo. Ese pwede to toma agua. So durmi lang eksakto guys. Then man incorporate tamang diet and exercise. Then positive outlook, positive mindset. So dapat amo kita sa todo dia taas. Positive mindset. Todo ka sa tapensa puro positive. So amo yung sa todo dia taas guys. Kundo yanda yung kipuel. Kundo yanda yung kina UAE. So pag volpiayo atin na Sambuanga, asinatami yung ase more. Asina yung ase. Ustedes tadurmi mga 10 ora, 12 ora. You're sleeping too much. Hindi bueno, it's not good na health. So dapat move. May pasada. Ay, may pasada. Irayo ulit. Yasera sila el pasada. Makamido man si mga pero. Kumigo apas. So biraya lang iyo guys. Kasi baka si apas kumigo pero parang manada pero. De hoodie yo. Kasi frio. Ya usayo ko na ya kumpray na di mi uban. Siya mirayo balik ko. So yan order ito. So guys, watch out for my business there. Small business one. You support me. I will post that in Chabacano Local. That Chabacano Local is my page. So hope all Chabacano will support me. And soon, pag na-establish ko na yung business ko dyan sa may Sambuanga, in my homeland, so I'm planning to do for good. Because as much as possible, I want to stay in my own country. My homeland. Namimiss ko. Tanmisyo. Mga uban din yung mga Chrysling adin na tumaga. So manadaya un dekada para andadaya ya un dekada ya kabaaki. So 15 years ayo taki. So matagal na ako dito. 15 years, just imagine that. It's very fast. O, diba? So, just I wish na my health won't limit me in doing my goals. That's why I'm doing exercise, walking, eating proper food. So guys, I'm not eating food or cooked food with betchin or magic syrup because it's not good for the health. And normally I eat cucumber, carrots, capsicum. Yun, it's good for my health. And less rice. Sometimes I eat only 1 cup of rice in a day. So mas marami siyang fibers and more on protein. Actually guys, not easy to work in other country. It's because you can feel that life is doing work. It's very different if you are in your own country. You can feel the life. You can appreciate things, little things. And even me here, I am doing the same. Like I try my best to appreciate little things. Like when I do my walking, I appreciate the nature, how it forms. Some trees, I observe some trees is here and later on disappear. So sometimes I feel bad. I see some cats, dogs. Sometimes I see dog. So I appreciate that. So normally I go there in the fish market. Doon ako nagtatambay. Kasi maraming pusa doon. Doon ang mga pusa dahil maraming isda doon. Minsan nahuhulog. Kinukuha nila, kinakain. Diba? Guys, thank you for watching me on my daily vlogs. So keep on supporting me